Welcome to OST News. Here are the top 10 news for today. Number 1. Deadline for filing ITR for financial year 20 extended. The Finance Ministry on Saturday extended the deadline for filing income tax returns by individuals by a month to December 31st, 2020. The government had in May extended the date from July 31st to November 30. For those taxpayers whose accounts need to be audited, the deadline has been extended by 2 months till January 31st, 2021. Number 2. We have to light a lamp at home in honor of soldiers at the borders, told PM. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday addressed the nation on Mann Ki Baat on the occasion of Dussehra. PM Modi said, "We must also remember our braveheart soldiers who are deployed at the borders even during this festival." He added, "We have to light a lamp at home in honor of these brave sons and daughters of Mother India." Number 3. BMC to soon start phase 3 trials of Oxford COVID-19 vaccine. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation will soon begin third phase clinical trials of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, official said. First set of volunteer completed 28 days of first vaccination. As per ICMR, third trial can only be conducted after a gap of 28 days. BMC Additional Commissioner Suresh Kakani said a total of 200 healthy volunteers participated in phase 2 trials. Number 4. Earliest direct evidence of dairy farming found in Indus Valley Civilization. A team of Indian and Canadian researchers have found the earliest direct evidence of dairy product processing. They found that dairy production began way back in 3rd millennium BCE with the Indus civilization's emergence. The researchers analyzed absorbed lipid residue from 59 ceramic shards recovered from an agro-pastoral settlement that was occupied during the peak of the Indus period. Number 5. Kapil Dev, who suffered heart attack, discharged from the hospital. India's 1983 World Cup winning captain Kapil Dev, who suffered a heart attack and underwent angioplasty earlier this week, has been discharged from the hospital. Former Team India fast bowler Chetan Sharma took to Twitter to share a picture of Kapil Dev from the time of his discharge from the hospital, writing, "Dr. Atul Mathur did Kapil Paji's angioplasty. Kapil is fine." Number 6. There will be no vacations. Karnataka Deputy CM on reopening colleges. After Karnataka government announced the decision to reopen the colleges from November 17, Deputy CM Dr. Ashwath Narayan said that they are going to cut down on vacation for online and offline classes. There will be no vacations. Classes will go on. The number of classes will be as per the calendar of events, which is as per the syllabus, he stated. Number 7. COVID-19 vaccine to be free for poor healthcare workers, told Telangana Minister. Telangana Minister for Health, Medical and Family Welfare Itala Rajendra has said that when COVID-19 vaccine will be available, the state government will distribute the vaccine free of cost to poor and healthcare workers as per the Times of India report. There is no question of commercializing it, he further said, adding the cost of medicine does not matter. Number 8. Samsung chairman leaves behind 21 billion assets for inheritance. Samsung chairman Lee Kun-hee, who died at the age of 78 on Sunday, has left behind assets reportedly worth of $20.9 billion. The inheritance will be subject to 50% inheritance tax as per South Korea's tax rules. Lee was South Korea's richest man and had stakes in Samsung companies valued at about $16.1 billion as of Friday's closing price. Number 9. Road in Bengaluru under Smart City initiative to be ready by November 1. A Smart City initiative from Planetarium Road to Miss Square in Bengaluru will be ready till November 1. The road, green buffer zone, pedestrian walk and cycle lane will be completed within the deadline. We have constantly inspecting the work every day to ensure that the work is done properly, an official said. Number 10. CSK beat RCB to end their 3-match losing streak. CSK opener Ruturaj Gaikwad's maiden 15 IPL helped his team defeat RCB by 8 wickets on Sunday. With the win, CSK ended their 3-match losing streak and moved to 7th on the point table. The defeat was RCB's first after 2 consecutive wins and 4th in the tournament. The match witnessed Virat Kohli reach 200 sixes in IPL. Thanks for watching OST News. Please subscribe for daily updates.